No complaints about the way that one cranked.
Alpha Systems AOA test complete.
Not at all.
Minden Airport. Automated weather observation 2147 Zulu weather wind 170 at 4 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 19 Celsius dew point 1 altimeter 3011.
Minden traffic, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel, back taxi and runway 19, Minden.
Going to Eldorado?
Yeah, I thought I'd do that first. It's been so long. And if we have time, we'll go back to Shreveport and do one.
Yeah, yeah. If you want to do Magnolia on the way, or you can do that.
Okay. Do an RNAV into Magnolia?
Yeah, it's on the way, so.
Okay, that'd be good.
Our Springhill's right there. We do Springhill a lot on the way.
They got RNAVs too, huh?
Yeah, they got one. They used to have two.
Okay.
They've got one out of the south now. They used to have one out of the north, but I guess it's in the MOA.
Right.
I guess they don't want people doing approaches in the MOA.
Okay, so the good one's out of the south, right?
Yeah. And it's right here.
That's good.
You actually can just make a loop, Minden to Springhill, and just keep going. That's what I was telling Rick that today. He was asking what we could do to get him faster, and I was like, well, let's just do approaches, loop them, you know. Or do Minden, you know, come in, do the 1, do the 19, and go back out and forth. I didn't even bring my memory stick. I could have got the...
Oh, yeah, we got to do that and leave a few in here.
Yeah. $450 RPM.
Pretty good, isn't it?
That's pretty slow, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, and it still runs okay.
Yeah.
Minden traffic, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel, taking off runway 19. We'll be departing back to the north, Minden.
Okay, 460 feet. 500. Pretty good climb, wasn't it?
Yeah. You're just now passing the hangar.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah.
What I want to do is see where we're 50 feet above the ground at and mark it on the runway and kind of figure out how many feet we get up at 500.
Okay.
Traffic, Cessna 735, Lima Bravo, inbound for landing runway 16. I'm about 4 miles south.
Yeah, go back. Or, yeah, and hit procedure now. Proc. There you go, approach.
Minden traffic,
Okay.
lands 2922 Quebec. There was a Skylane, I didn't get your number earlier. Have you already departed?
We have 93 Tango Hotel. We're off the end of 19 right now.
Okay, Minden traffic, lands 2922 Quebec, be back taxi 19, Minden traffic. Any other traffic, please advise.
Okay, so middle one.
Right there?
You put arrivals. Yeah, go back.
Oh, okay, I put arrivals.
Approach, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
There you go. RNAV 36, yep.
Right.
1 minute to jumpers over Cattle Mills.
Transition. Harriet is the
Loading the approach.
transition.
Where's
Work your way
transition?
across, look. Airport's good, approach is good. And
Right.
Transition
Vectors.
vectors.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so we're not gonna do vectors.
Okay.
And we're not gonna fly the course reversal and then
Okay.
load and activate. And so there you go, map.
All right.
There it is. So, you want me to brief it for you, or you want to go for it?
Cessna 735.
Now go ahead for me.
All right, so this is the RNAV GPS runway 36 to Springhill.
Right.
The fixes are Harriet and Hovel.
Okay.
Let's get them real quick under flight plan. Harriet, Hovel, and Yahtzee. Yep.
Okay.
Then the runway,
Right.
and then the missed approach point is Zestu. Yep. So that's
Okay.
correct. Okay. You need to be at 3,000 at Harriet,
Okay.
and that's what the altitude would be for the hold, but we're not going to do the procedure course
Okay.
reversal. Let's see. We'll be talking to Shreveport on 118.6.
Okay.
Let's see. Missed approach, climb to 3,000 to Zestu and hold. Minimums are 558 LPV.
558. Okay, so I would go to, hang on, flight plan
Uh-huh.
is somewhere right in here.
It is.
Okay, whoop. Maybe I'm,
Big knob is chapters.
okay.
You're still doing little knob.
All right, we're going to enter. I'm going to go down.
Big knob, yeah.
Oh, right there.
One more.
One more big knob. It
Yep.
takes me there. What is it again?
558, so you can put in 560.
Okay, let me
Bump it.
Cattle Mills traffic, jump lane 1.
Little knob.
We got jumpers in the air over Cattle Mills.
There you
Jumpers
go.
on the way down over
Big
Cattle Mills.
knob.
Yep.
Okay, and I can hit enter and clear, right?
Yep. And your barrel mins are up.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to Harriet and then inbound.
Okay, 3,000 at Harriet, right?
Yep. And then after Harriet is 1,900 at Hovel.
Okay.
So there you go.
6 miles to Hovey, right?
Yep.
Taxi traffic,
So-
262 Alpha, 10 miles to the west inbound.
We got to be 1,900 at Hovey.
Yep. And then from there you'll catch a glide slope.
Okay.
You got a glide slope now. If you could level off and just capture it early
Okay.
because it's still above you. Yeah. And see,
Right.
so you've got approach armed and glide slope armed, right?
Right.
So
So
we're
yeah, just level off and catch it then, huh?
right.
Full traffic. Selected air is 7 miles to the south, southwest. We're transitioning through the area to seeing downtown on the highway.
So glide slope should be alive anytime soon.
Southwest, full stop.
Do what now?
Waiting on the glide slope to come alive.
Right.
I don't guess that matters anymore, huh?
Well, it really doesn't, I guess.
Okay, glide slope's alive. 1 dot coming up.
Okay.
So configure carb heat lights.
What runway we're flying into again?
This is the RNAV to 36.
Okay.
And you are 7.9 out.
36.
Springhill traffic, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel is 7 miles out, straight in, runway 36, Springhill.
Okay, we're starting down.
Yep. Going to 560.
It'll go a little rough when I go in too much with the deal.
The mixture, yeah.
Yes, I'm not gonna go in yet. Look at it, leans out right there.
It's good, huh?
Yeah. It's holding a great glide slope.
Yeah.
I think it operates better with no flaps.
Yeah.
Seems to be not hunting like it was the other day. We'll try that back into Minden too.
Sure.
And Minden traffic, lands 292, back off the runway. This time for real, we're going to be northeast bound out of traffic, Minden.
This time for real.
Okay, what are we going to?
560.
560, okay.
Yep.
Okay, 400 feet to go.
See the 500 calling for flight now?
Oh yeah. Cool. 200 to go.
Yep. No parachute.
$640. 80 to go. 560. Okay, got the field in sight.
Minimums. Minimums.
How long's this field?
4.
4,000?
Yeah.
Oh, we're fine.
Oh, yeah. I put the 310 down with no flaps the other day here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I made the lap, Springhill, Magnolia, Minden.
All right, sir. I really kind of got a kick out of doing that.
Yeah, it's fun.
I like flying low flaps sometimes and coming in faster.
Yep. Okay, where to next?
We'll go to Eldorado next.
All right. You probably just do a 180 here. Go on 18.
Yeah, we'll do that. Well, or if I can do it right here. Probably so, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Good turn.
Okay, double check. I'll get my prop in. Get my carb heat in, my mixture rich.
Minden traffic, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel, taking off runway 18, Spring Hill.
Everything looks good.
Yep. Good to go. Do the RNAV to 4. You're right here for it.
Sure.
Okay. Want to load it up? You can go to Zusuk.
Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to do it then. Okay, let's go to flight plan.
You can.
Okay.
Touch Eldorado.
Eldorado.
Procedures.
Procedures. Oh, I can see that here somewhere. Load procedures. Approach. Okay, and we're going to do an RNAV 22?
4.
RNAV 4?
Yeah, we're out this way, yeah.
Okay.
And Zusuk.
Zusuk, okay. Now, what would I do next? Go vectors?
Yeah, we don't want vectors.
Oh, we don't? So I can go
That's
back?
it. No, that was it.
Oh,
But
it was?
we want to take it off vectors, yeah.
Right, so I can go to which one?
Zusuk.
Okay.
And then you want to do the hold or not?
No.
Okay, hit no then. There you go. Load and activate. All right, you're going to Zusuk.
Okay.
Okay, Zusuk is 2,000
2,000, okay.
or higher. All right, so this is the RNAV to runway 4 at Eldorado. Your fixes are Zusuk, Wasdo, and the runway.
Right.
Yep. Zusuk is 2,000. Wasdo is the final approach fix is 1,800. Minimums on this is 680.
680, okay. Okay. So anytime I want to go straight to, if I don't want to do the whole procedure and just want to go to a certain fix, then I just put vectors and then go to that fix.
Right, because there's different ways to start the approach.
Right.
So what you were looking at was this. I won't change it, but I'll just show you. This tells you how you want to start it.
Right.
So look, if you look at this chart, okay, you can start it at Warlow, you can start it at Pequod, Zusuk, Sikvi, Flesh.
Right.
See, look, they're all here. Look, every one of those is on there.
Okay.
So if we want to start it at Zusuk, if you want to go to Warlow, we could, but it's way up in...
Yeah, we don't want to. Yeah.
Right. Or if you were near, you know, I guess Farmerville, you can come in off Flesh.
Right.
Or if you're coming on Minden, you can come in on a Sikvi and do the corner.
Okay.
If you do Zusuk, you're supposed to do a hold. That's why I'd asked you if you wanted to do it.
Oh, really?
Right, because look, every time if you look where they come in, so look, if you come in off Sikvi, it says no PT.
Okay.
Sikvi, you cut the corner and go, right?
Okay.
But look, if you come in off Zusuk, it doesn't say no PT.
I got
That means you're supposed to do a turn and the hold.
Okay.
But we told it no.
Okay.
So if you were doing this for real,
yeah,
you could
have to.
Well, you could ask ATC and they could give you what's called straight in.
Okay.
Cleared direct Zusuk, straight in, runway 4 approach, RNAV runway 4 approach.
Right.
So if you got the straight in, skip the hold. So after you get past Zusuk, this one should be an LNAV approach. This is not going to be LPV.
Okay.
So we're looking for LNAV plus V to come up.
LNAV plus V.
Should come up right where it says term. Terminal mode is what it's in now.
Right.
Pink letters.
Pink letters. Oh, okay, okay. I got you.
So you're waiting to see LNAV. .6 to Zusuk. After Zusuk, you can go to 1800.
Okay.
Or just follow the glide slope.
Right. That's probably why I'll just follow the glide slope. Probably get it shortly after we turn.
Yeah.
5 seconds to our turn. 10 miles from Eldorado. Runway 4. Okay, glide slope just came in.
LNAV V is alive. See?
Right. Yep, it sure is, isn't it?
Yep. So that's what you want to see. That tells you which approach category to use. So you would use your LNAV minimums.
Which is
680 unless you're circling.
Okay, okay, and then it's 7. And then the other option, if you didn't have LNAV, would be what?
That's the lowest.
Okay.
Yep.
So there's nothing higher than if you didn't have LNAV.
Right, no LPV on this one.
Okay.
They must not have obstacle clearances. The other side does.
Okay.
But it's obviously got clearance if they've got an ILS.
Yeah, that guy was just going past.
Yeah, over the
there.
top.
Yeah, he just went over the top of Wasdo.
Eldorado, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel is 8 miles to the south, straight in, runway 4, Eldorado.
Of all the times we've been here, I've never stopped here.
Yeah.
I've never been inside. I had to have been here at least 50 times.
Okay, autopilot off.
Okay. Going to 680.
Okay, right now I'm not looking outside at all. I'm just concentrating on my instruments like I'm in the clouds.
All right. I'm outside then.
Okay.
Eldorado traffic, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel, 4 mile final, runway 4, straight in, Eldorado.
Hot Springs traffic, location 2294 Kilo, 10
Yeah,
miles
looking okay.
to the west, 2,000 feet, landing Hot Springs.
$1360 going to 680.
Yep. If you fly that candy cane, put the candy cane on the dot where the runway is, like right there, and just
Oh yeah, I wasn't even looking at that.
and just hold it. So you need to come right a little bit.
Yeah, just a hair.
Yep. I just kick it a little right rudder. I'd use the rudders and cheat.
1100 to 680.
That's all you got to do. Look right there. Perfect.
Just did 111 knots.
So if you're gonna do no flaps, just come back on your power and let it slow down. Still fly your needles with the yoke, but you can let it slow down.
Okay.
That way it won't float as much. Because you can still fly it around 75, 80. It'll just be pitched up higher.
Right. 800 going to
Getting
680.
low. Minimums. Minimums.
We're minimum. Okay, I'm on the runway now watching it.
All right. Yeah, so just hold 80 right there. So pitch for 80. So there you go. Just keep that nose up like that. And you can let it down just a hair. There you go.